John Berg with Century AC Supply. I do the training here, and what we've done is put together some short videos in how we're going to make it where your job is going to be easier. And that's the whole purpose, is making your job easier. These are called How Do I? Because many times we get a call, as well as myself, I'll make a call, how do I do this or how do I do that? These videos are going to be small, short segments that are going to tell us how do you do the different things, the correct procedure, and the tools that are going to be necessary in order to make those tests and correct diagnosing. Diagnosing is so important, just like a doctor. If he misdiagnoses, he may be performing surgery on a heart that all was wrong with it was it just needed an antacid, because some of the symptoms for a heart attack and indigestion are very similar. We make that mistake many times when we condemn a compressor. If we're not checking the wiring, if we're not checking the capacitors, if we're not checking the ohms reading through the compressors themselves, many times that compressor is replaced and there's nothing wrong with it. And I myself, being an ex-service person who has done service work, the most frustrating thing is to replace a part, turn it on, and only to discover that it's doing the same thing with the new part that it was doing before. That is a very demoralizing thing. These videos are there and going to be available to you so that it's going to help you be able to do the diagnosing part before you do the replacing part. And always remember, anybody can change out a fan motor. Anybody can add Freon to a system. The professional is the one who diagnoses what the problem is. Always try to learn as much as you can about this industry. This is something we do day in and day out, all day long, but it's just like hunting and fishing and bowling and golf. It takes practice, it takes concentration, it takes the fortitude of desire to be good at what you do. I hope you enjoy them.